Hey everyone. Well, I know it's Thursday and you are used to either having a meditation or a mindset reset. Today is a bit different. I am so thrilled to introduce you to my friend Karen, who has put together a massive summit called Prioritize You, which is a combination of 15 different experts coming together to give you tools and practices and thoughts of how you can truly prioritize yourself. And I couldn't let this day go by without introducing you to Karen, kind of giving you a brief summary of what this summit is. It's free, it's online. So please, here's my friend Karen.
Yeah, so the name of the free online summit is called Prioritize You when you're done putting everyone else first and
Yeah.
realize it's your turn.
Right.
This is the second annual online retreat that I've done. What I've seen, and I'm sure you have too, is that especially women
Mm-hmm.
don't take the time to care for themselves. They put everybody else first.
Mm-hmm.
And then we try to give to the people around us, but our cup is empty. And
Yes.
so I believe we serve and love others out of that overflow.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
so to me, and this is actually my talk in our online retreat is
Yeah.
called Your Most Important Relationship. Your
Yes.
most important relationship is with you.
Right.
So if we care for ourselves, we are better able to care for the people around us, fulfill our obligations, show up at our best.
I know that we have many experts that are going to be involved in the summit. Can you kind of run through what someone would expect?
Sure. The summit runs for 5 days. It is done at your own time. Whatever works for you, that's
Mm.
what you can do. Every morning at 9 a.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday, October 9th to the 13th,
Mhm.
at least three and sometimes four new sessions will be available. So the participants will receive an email with links so that they can watch any session that appeals to them, all of them if they would like to. The sessions will be up for 48 hours. So you have 2 full days to find time to watch the sessions or listen to the
Mm.
sessions that are most important to you. And these sessions include experts in hypnosis, self hypnosis, yoga, art. We have a lot of people who are talking about different tools you can use to take care of yourself, what self care actually looks like. Because guess what? It does not mean going to get a mani pedi, although there's nothing wrong with that.
Right.
But there's some interesting things you can do to care for yourself, to make yourself feel better, like cleaning out a junk drawer, which
Right.
we don't typically think of as self care. But if that's what it will take to give you a sense of peace as you go about your day, by all means, do it.
Exactly. I'm
Yeah.
so excited to be a part of this, and we're going to put the link to sign up in our show notes. So please go there, and we're going to be posting this everywhere. This is a place where you do get a chance to have the tools to prioritize yourself. And like you said, most women do not know how to do this or they don't take time to do it. So
Yeah.
this is such a beautiful effort, and I can't thank you enough for letting me be involved and just putting this together for women everywhere. It's wonderful.
So first, Daniel, let me say I am so happy that you're part of this. We've already recorded our session and it was wonderful, and I can't wait to share that with everyone. This is a labor of love for me. As I said, it's
Mhm.
free. It is something that is so important. And because you can watch when it's convenient for you, I
Right.
really believe that every woman who has the opportunity to watch this will get something out of it for them.
I hope you will join us. Go to the show notes and sign up. The link is there. Again, it's completely free. As Karen said, you will receive an email and everything will be right there at your fingertips. I hope you will join this massive free event. It's a beautiful way to gain some new insights, some new tools, and I hope you'll join me, as well as there are so many free gifts. Once you sign up, I know that I am offering a free downloadable digital journal. It's 135 pages of a lot of the things that you learn here on the podcast. So I hope that you'll join us. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at getyourlifetogethergirlnow@gmail.com. We are looking forward to seeing you there. Thank you, Karen.
Thanks.